What if I told you there is a planet that could float on water? It sounds impossible. But in our own solar system, it actually exists. That planet is Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in the solar system. It is so massive that more than 760 Earths could fit inside it. But despite its enormous size, Saturn is incredibly light. In fact, its average density is lower than water. This means that if you could find a giant ocean large enough, Saturn would actually float on it. But how is that even possible? The answer lies in what Saturn is made of. Unlike Earth, Saturn is not a solid planet. It is a gas giant, made mostly of hydrogen and helium. These are the lightest elements in the universe. Because of this, Saturn doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. If you tried to stand on Saturn, you would simply sink deeper and deeper into thick layers of gas. As you go deeper, pressure increases dramatically. Eventually, the gas behaves more like a liquid, and even deeper. It becomes something even stranger, liquid metallic hydrogen. This is a form of hydrogen that can conduct electricity like metal. It is found deep inside Saturn due to extreme pressure. Now let's go back to the idea of floating. Floating depends on density. If an object is less dense than the liquid it is placed in, it floats. Since Saturn's density is lower than water, it would float, at least in theory. Of course, there is a problem. There is no ocean in the universe large enough to hold Saturn. And even if there were, the planet's gravity would completely disturb it. So while the idea is scientifically true, it can never actually happen in reality. Still, it shows how strange planets can be. Saturn is also famous for its beautiful rings. These rings are made of ice, rock, and dust. Some pieces are as small as grains of sand. Others are as large as mountains. Yet from a distance, they appear smooth and glowing. Saturn also has dozens of moons. Some of them are even more fascinating than the planet itself. But what makes Saturn truly unique is how it challenges our understanding of planets. A world that is massive, yet light enough to float. In space, size doesn't always mean heaviness. And what seems impossible can sometimes be completely real. The universe is full of surprises like this. And the more we explore, the more we realize how little we truly know. Subscribe to Cosmonova for more space discoveries.